गुड आफ्टरनून माई सेल्फ पिंकी चावला। अभी रिसेंटली जजमेंट एक नई जजमेंट आई 31 मई 2024 में एक ऑर्डर हुआ है जिसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट में एक अपील 348/21 में एक प्रीति एंड अदर्स वर्सेस JNCT एक्ट दिल्ली and others there was an appeal was filed in the Supreme Court. And why this appeal was filed about this is based on abusing language. The SC/ST Act was apply in the country because there was so many abuses language against lower class casteism, and there was abusing language and others problem what they were facing, and they were not getting respect and regard from the common person, and they were targeted on the casteism basis. So this act was applied so that they should it is applied because they should get respect and regard in the society, and they should be honored. But this matter has come in Supreme Court, where the in the beginning the complainant has gone to the trial court, and under section 156, where trial court refused to file an FIR, then they order for inquiry, and inquiry was arranged, and based on the inquiry, because it was criminal matter, so it has gone to the high court, where high court has given the direction that FIR should be lodged in favor of the complainant, and the accused was very harassed and tortured because he was not having any kind of offense, because he did not do anything wrong against the complainant. So he's gone with the order, copy of the order of the high court, he's gone to the Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court has cleared the direction condition of SC/ST Act, where the actually SC/ST Act will apply. The Supreme Court has clearly mentioned in this order, which was given, which I mentioned in my 2024 recently as passed by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has given direction where the SC/ST Act apply. The Act apply where the actually abuse was given to the person in public view or public presence. So it was asked by complaint to the complainant whether the abuse was given in the public or in the public presence or public view, where a lot of people were gathering beside the person who complainant as well as accused. If other person are there, so it is come under SC/ST Act. If none of was present, and it was not a publicly abuse and threaten and torture him, then it doesn't come in SC/ST Act. So complainant was not able to prove that the abuse was given by the accused was in public view, because it was in the concerned room was where the two persons were talking. They were having hot discussion, and due to this reason he gone and ego clash, and due to his ego clash he gone to the trial court and filed the complaint under SC/ST Act. So if the complaint is being lodged under SC/ST Act, and the accused doesn't have any fault, then he has get a relief in under this section, and Supreme Court has given full liberty to the accused that if he doesn't do any kind of crime, and he doesn't abuse the person publicly, or where the lot of gathering is there or public view is there, 2 3 persons from beside complainant as well as accused, and he is liable to be guilty, and if he is not there, then the case will be dismissed and default. So the Supreme Court case given the direction that this case will be dismissed and default in favor of the accused. So if you find this information informative and productive, you can always use this for your reference, and we'll let's meet again with another some other information, because the new act is coming in the month of July, so a lot of amendments are coming. So I'll try to keep in touch with you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for listening to me.